Are you studying for your Florida real estate exams? If you are, you need to check out passfirsttry.com. Again, that link is passfirsttry.com. It's our recommended strategy to pass your class and state exams on the first try. Now, we can't legally guarantee that you're going to pass on your first try, but if you follow the steps and go in the order it is that we give you in that pass first try strategy, you're going to have great odds of passing your class and state exams on the first try. So just to give you a quick rundown of what it is that we recommend that you do, and it's so important that you follow this order because these steps build upon one another. Number one, it always starts with learning the information. Not only is learning the information required by the Florida Real Estate Commission, but it teaches you what you need to know to pass the exam. So that's a prerequisite that basically everyone does because it's required. Number two is reviewing and reinforcing the basic, simple, key concepts. Ideally, you're doing this as you're learning new material, so that way you don't forget about what it is that you've already learned. But before you move any further, you gotta have these simple, basic, key concepts down, memorized, and know them. Because what the exam is going to do is take these simple, basic key concepts and apply them in a more complex scenario. So to help you prepare and see how they're going to take these simple concepts and now throw them into the context of a more complex question, that's where we recommend our question simulator. Our question simulator does a great job of giving you all kinds of practice questions. Now look, I'm not going to tell you that the questions are going to be the same questions on the exam because they're not. There might be some that are similar. The purpose here isn't to memorize the questions. If you're trying to memorize questions, that is the wrong way to study for the exam because you're probably not going to see those same questions on any questions on your state exam. When these questions start getting out there and the public knows them, that's when the FREC pulls them from their question bank. So the question simulator and practicing with exam questions, this is more so to simulate the environment of the exam so you can see how you take this basic simple concept and now apply it in the context of the question. If you're having to guess on answering these questions, you're not ready, you need to go back to the basic simple key concepts back in step 2. So step 1, learn. Step 2, reinforce and review the information. Step 3, take those simple concepts and try to apply them in questions. And then step 4, be confident and prepared in your knowledge of this material. Now, if you're guessing on the exam questions, you're not confident. You're guessing, and you might get lucky with these guesses, but that's not going to help you out on the exam. You've got to be confident going in there knowing that you're going to pick the right answers. Otherwise, you're going to really second guess yourself a lot and fall victim to a lot of the traps that are set in place by the Florida Real Estate Commission on the exams. So follow these steps in order and be honest with yourself about this. Ask yourself really if you are ready or if you are just guessing. Look, this isn't a test where you're able to guess and pass. That does not work with this exam. It's been proven. That's why the pass rate is only at 50% because you can't simply just guess the right answers. So go through these steps, be honest with yourself. If you got to backtrack a little bit, go back to reviewing the simple concepts, then go back into the questions, do that. This process, it works when you follow it step by step. All of our approved study tools as well as this full strategy, again, that's available at passfirsttry.com. Look, if you have questions about studying for the exam, what you should do, where it is that you're at, give us a call. The phone number is 813-333-2676. Again, that's 813-333-2676. We can help you, give you some recommendations of how it is that you should be studying, what it is that you should be doing based on where it is that you're at right now. So give us a call, 333-2676, 813-333-2676.